working on making a functioning trunk lid for this Fairlane. So the trunk was cut out of the body. That's plenty of tutorials on that. There's some flat styrene on either side for it to seal against. But what I did for the hinge was I took, this is from a Revell 56 Chevy, the hinge piece, and then I took a piece of some tube with my razor knife. I slit out a section to fit over the hinge, hard to see in there. Then, of course, I had to notch the package tray for the hinge to clear, and then glued that on there. So I'll paint all that up, but basically got a functioning trunk lid on this 66 Fairlane gasser, which is still got a ways to go. But anyway, there's that.